Hey look, this is my little writing shed at the bottom of the garden. Now come inside and see what I have been creating. Now I am making a signed, numbered, limited edition of my book, Pandora. This is a story I've been telling to kids in schools for quite a long time, and they all get really excited and they say, where can we buy the book? And I go, oh, I haven't made it yet. And always just too busy. And then I woke up recently and thought, just do it. Just get on and make this book. So that's what I'm going to do with your help and support. So what's Pandora all about? Well, Pandora is a very curious girl. She is curious about almost everything in the world. She wants to know about everything, but most of all, she wants to know about the room at the end of the long, dark corridor. You know it's going to end in trouble, don't you? She has been told 1,000,000 times that she must never, ever go there, but she really is a very curious girl. Is this the scariest story ever told? Are you brave enough to read it? Are you like Pandora? Do you just have to find out? So here is the envelope with the edition number on the front. When you turn it over, you will find a sticker telling you not to open it. If you can resist opening and the edition stays intact, it might possibly become a collector's curiosity item fetching millions at auction. But then again, it might not. Now, of course, if you're really curious, you'll have to find some way of opening the envelope. And what will you find inside? You will find the book, sealed with a protective warning band. Inside, each book will be individually numbered as part of the edition. I will inscribe a dedication from Pandora to you or whoever you choose and sign each book individually. My cherished supporters will have their names written on each copy of the edition on the cherished supporters page. In case you find the book too harrowing, you will also receive a sealed envelope with a message from Pandora. And finally, this lovely big inspirational poster to remind you of the lessons learned when curiosity gets the better of you. Now look at the reward levels on the right hand side of the screen to choose how you would like to be part of this exciting venture. The reward levels start with a shout out from Pandora on Twitter or Instagram. On the next reward level, you can have Pandora send you a handwritten postcard. If you are digitally intrigued, you can follow along with the project as it comes together page by page as the story is revealed day by day in exclusive blogs and videos, learning all about my creative process. All the higher reward levels will also be able to follow along with the blogs and videos. The limited edition reward level receives a signed, numbered, limited first edition copy of the book Pandora, complete with danger warnings, a message of hope from Pandora, and an inspirational poster inside the sealed presentation envelope. Now remember, this first edition is limited to only 250 copies. Join the cherished supporters level, and as well as your copy of the limited edition, you will have your name printed on every copy on the cherished supporters page of the book. As well as being cherished supporters and getting everything in that level, a lucky few in the home entertainment level will have me come visit their homes virtually via Skype to perform the story, chat, and maybe give a drawing lesson as well. A very lucky few who are totally curious, as well as being cherished supporters and being entertained on Skype, will receive signed original watercolours of Pandora and her cat as well. There is so much to choose from, but don't wait too long. This is a limited edition, so let your curiosity get the better of you and choose your reward level now. Many thanks for watching, and I look forward to sending your special edition very soon.